How we care for our cut flowers is crucial. Conditioning them is what we call preparing them before we do an arrangement, and I'm going to give you some top tips for how to make your arrangements keep on living. Always cut flowers from the garden at the coolest part of the day, in the morning or evening. Take a bucket of water with you when you gather. Immediately once you've cut, place it into the water. I always clean my cutting tools, scissors and knives with bleach to stop any cross-infection from occurring. Also with fresh flowers, give them a long drink in clean cold water with added flower food, somewhere cool before you bring them into the warmth of indoors. That will really make them last for so much longer. Woody stemmed plant material like shrubs, trees, branches or even roses, cut on a sharp point, ideally a 45-degree angle, then scrape away a little bit of that outer bark. That gives them the opportunity to take up so much more moisture. Any plant material that sits below the water level, remove any lower leaves, branches or stems, keeping the stem clean so there's no infection occurring in the water. Therefore, the flower's going to last so much longer. So to keep this beautiful arrangement of fresh seasonal flowers, remember, keep it away from any direct heat source. Top up the water level every day and spray twice a day if you can with an atomiser. That will guarantee to keep it as fresh as possible. Arranging beautiful flowers can become really addictive, but what could be nicer than growing your own flowers? If you want to learn more information about how to create a cutting garden, to get year-round interest and seasonal flowers to cut for 52 weeks of the year, then why not visit the RHS website? There's loads of information on what flowers to grow for cutting, what shrubs to have in your garden, and what hardy and half-hardy annuals you can grow for constant cutting throughout those wonderful summer months. Go and take a look.